Hello everyone, if you are new here, I am Chandrika, and if you are my lovely subscriber, thank you so much for watching me again. Today is another requested video by our subscriber to share how to apply highlighter on face if you are a beginner. So here I am showing how to apply highlighter on face, and if you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to like, share and comment on your thoughts. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment and subscribe. By the way, this is my Instagram ID. I'll upload all the pictures and my makeup looks on my Instagram. You can check it. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. By the way, if you want to know how I created this warm nude makeup look, the link is in iCards and description. So these are the brushes I regularly use for highlighting, and there are fan brushes, concealer brush, blending brush, contour brush. So I personally use these brushes for highlighting, and these are the brushes of different sizes from small to big. So these are the fan brushes, and these are the brushes which actually use for highlighting, but I personally don't like these fan brushes. And this is a small fan brush and this is a big fan brush. I sometimes use this small fan brush, but I hardly use this big fan brush, and I'm not a fan of these fan brushes. And this is a contour brush, but I sometimes use it for highlighting because it gives very precise application and you can blend your highlighter to look natural. And then this is a blending brush, but I use it for highlighting. Same with this concealer brush, I use it for highlighting my cheeks, forehead and chin. And I use this small brush to highlight my nose, brow bone and inner corner of my eyes. So when you highlight your inner corner of your eye makeup looks more beautiful. And when you highlight your brow bone, it gives you it gives your eyebrow a lifted effect. So first I'm using these fan brushes, and I'm taking this powder highlighter from Sivana Colors, but there are cream highlighters, liquid highlighters are available. But if you are a beginner, start with powder highlighter. Like I started with powder highlighters, and now I'm slowly starting with those liquid highlighters. But if you're a beginner, it's okay, you can start with powder highlighters. Take some product, dust off the excess, and now I am highlighting my cheekbones. So to do that, we have to identify our cheekbones by touching it, and if you press your cheek like this, you'll feel your cheekbone, and then go ahead and highlight it. See, you can see the difference. Can you see the shine? Can you see the glow? So that's why every girl like highlighting, and I love highlighting my face. Once I'm done with my makeup, I really wait for highlighting my face, and it's really fun doing highlighting. And next time applying with different brushes to just let you know how to apply highlighter with these brushes. But I usually don't use all brushes. I use only two brushes to highlight. One is a big brush and another one is a small brush to highlight. So can you see the difference between these brushes? So with fan brush it's a bit difficult to highlight, but with other brushes it is very easy and convenient to highlight. Next I'm highlighting my forehead, and I like to highlight my forehead like this. Just touch and feel the bone and highlight, and then blend it. Don't forget to blend your highlighter because you don't want those sharp or harsh lines on your face. So just blend it to get that natural effect. So can you see the glow? Yes. Now for nose, I'm highlighting the tip of my nose right here, because if you highlight down, your nose look like a parrot nose. We don't want that. So highlighting here and then highlighting my bridge of my nose. I'm not taking excess product, I'm just spreading the remaining product on my bridge of the nose, and it gives your nose a sharp effect. And then I'm highlighting my cupid's bow. Like if you have beautiful lips like mine, you can highlight them as well. Then I'm highlighting my chin. Some of us won't like highlighting their chin, but I love highlighting my chin as well. Then I'm highlighting my inner corner of my eyes. by taking very less product and applying. And then I'm highlighting my brow bone right here using a small brush. I use this small brush to highlight my nose, to highlight my inner corner of my eye and brow bone. So I'll show you the difference between with extra light and without extra light. So see my face with and without extra light. So see guys, my face looks like it's glowing naturally and it looks very healthy. Yeah, that's it you guys. You can try now, and if you try then let me know. So yeah, that's it. This is how I use it to apply highlighter. So if you are a beginner, you can follow all these steps. And also if you are a beginner, you can use powder highlighter. And if you are a beginner, you just keep on practicing and then you'll get it. It's very easy and simple. If you like this video, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and comment down your thoughts and suggestions. I would love to answer them. And don't forget to follow my Instagram. That's it for today's video. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.